Hello my friends. Today we're going to be painting with watercolors. We're gonna use watercolor. We're gonna need watercolor, a glass of water, and a brush. We're just gonna use one single brush or two. We're gonna be drawing a leprechaun. So, are you ready? Let's begin. I already traced a little bit my draw, but I'm gonna trace it with you again. Then we're gonna start drawing over. First, you're gonna trace a slightly curvy line on the top for the hat. Then another slightly curvy line on the side. You're going to do the same in the other side. Then you're gonna trace on the bottom of those lines a rectangle shape. This is like the bell of the hat. In the middle, the center of the rectangle, you will be drawing a square. You just need to draw the vertical lines, two vertical lines parallel, 1, 2. In the middle, you're gonna draw a small square. Then you're gonna draw like a curvy line like this. In this distance, you're gonna draw another curvy line, the same in the other side of your hat, and then a long curvy line. Then you're gonna draw the face with another curvy line, but this time you're gonna enlarge the line, like going curving the other side. So out and in. So out and in. Then we're gonna draw the beard. The beard. Do not trace too hard because we're gonna be using watercolors. This is just our base. Now we're gonna put the beard in here a little bit, like this. The ears, another curve, two curves, kind of leaves. Okay, then we're gonna draw a bow tie and then the jacket. You can always stop the video. You need to look more. The pants are like squares or rectangles, and big shoes, curves and lines. A packet is like a U, then a line in the top. Okay, I think we're ready to begin. Let's draw another line in here and another line in here. Are you ready to paint? So get your cup of water and your brushes. Okay. First, we're going to use green. Get the light green. When I color the hat green. slightly. First, paint the inside of the hat. Moving your brush up. Slide your brush all the way up. Then, in a curvy way, change the way. Do not add too much water. Keep it wet but not too wet. So slightly draw the line, draw over the lines first. Then you fill. Like this. Wash your brush. Have a napkin ready to dry a little bit your brush so it's not super wet. Once your brush is ready, first we're gonna fill it up all the big spaces. Find orange or red. You can mix orange and red. I would like to mix orange and red for the bird. For my bird, I'm gonna start color my bird. Be careful not to get in the other space. So draw over the lines first carefully. Carefully. Slide your brush. Remember, this is hair, so we're gonna slide carefully. Carefully slide the brush in the same direction that you draw the lines. And then in the middle part, go a little bit up. You're gonna put your brush in here, then go up softly till you form like a square. Tiny bit. That's it. Wash your brush. Dry with the napkin. Keep it still wet. Make sure that is round. Like this. Pointy. It have to be really, really pointy. Now we're gonna paint the face. So find the peach color from your palette. Peach, like, if you do not have peach, you can make it with orange and white. So now we're gonna color the face. Color the whole face. Oops, we got a little bit of green on there. So we gotta clean it up with the dry brush. You can clean it up. There we go. Be careful because watercolor is hard to fix. So once you're done, you can color the hands. Just color like a circle. On the other hand, another circle. Then you're gonna draw the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like. That's it. The ears, like I said, go in the same direction than the lines. Up. And that's it. Wash your brush. Clean it. Clean it on your napkin. Now we're going to color the bow tie red. Get red. circle, then slightly follow the lines. My jacket will be dark green, so find your dark green. Now, after you color the jacket, first we're gonna color all the lighter colors. We're gonna color the light colors like yellow, light greens. As you see, we start coloring the big parts and also the parts that we choose light colors, like yellow. Find your yellow color. Color the square, only that side of the square. Do not color inside. You can color the little part right here, this little like a curvy shape section. You're also gonna color yellow the soles of your shoes, and that's it. Now let's color the pants brown. Brown. There we go. Now I want you to get pink, light pink. We're gonna draw a small circles and the cheeks. Be careful with this, not to make these lines, okay? Get more pink if your paint doesn't. Be careful, do not make it too big, just make it big enough. There we go. Now the next step would be get red again. Paint again the bow tie, because watercolor is about layers of colors. Clean your brush. We're gonna start color all the dark parts. So find black. We're going to color the belt. Carefully color the first square. Fill it up. The other side. Fill it up. Now the inside, carefully, without touching the yellow sections, you're going to color the inside of the square. There we go. Now the shoes. Get some brown and mix it with black, because we want black, we want dark brown shoes. You can leave a little shiny part in the top or not. It's up to you. Okay, now you can retrace the belt. Just make sure like you're not invading spaces. There we go. I like it. For the jacket and the hat, we're gonna choose dark green again. Find your dark green and let's paint only. We're gonna paint under the arm, slightly green like this. Now under the other arm, to give it a little bit more shape, on the sides. Basically, we're gonna paint all the edges again. We can draw even lines like make that's it. Now get another green. Get the green that we use for the hat and mix it with the dark green. Once you mix it, we're gonna color a little bit here. This curve here under the belt, a little bit up there, and we also gonna color a little bit in the sides of the hat to give it more shape to all the edges. And we can even make like a kind of oval to give it more dimension in the top. A little bit darker in the sides, and some here to give it more dimension like this. The same to the jacket, give it more dimensions like that. Now, after you make all that, you can get a Sharpie. With the Sharpie, we're gonna paint the eyes. Do small little ovals. Now we're gonna draw the mouth. Then, again, clean your brush very carefully. Get some pink with peach. Mix pink and peach. And we're gonna draw a small oval as a nose. Mine was a little bigger, so carefully grab a napkin, a dry napkin, if you put too much paint. And that's what I did. So again, make sure the point of your brush is very pointy. You can go again over like that. Then you're gonna grab a little bit more pink. You're gonna draw a few lines here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Just to make it cuter. You can put a little pink over the ears and inside the ears, like a small curve. Now the eyebrows. After you're done, well, we're not done. Let's go another layer of brown for the pants, because they still look too light for me. There we go. And get some more orange mixed with red for the bird. I think it still needs a little bit more shape. We're just gonna go over over the edges to give it some more shape, you know. And also to the hands, around the hands, just go slightly around the ears to give more shades. Also under the hat, slightly go under to give it more shades. Looking better, huh? Again, to the bow tie, I think it needs more red. There we go. Then I like it like that. I like it like that. So now I'm gonna sign it. Sign it. 2020. Oh no, we're in 2021. It's incredible. Well, happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoy it. See you later.